Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to smoke an ox tomahawk steak. And you know what that means? Exactly. It's time to grill. So today's star is a 1.4 kilogram tomahawk steak from Irish ox. So this one actually looks pretty good, almost ready to eat, and this is from my online butchery gourmetfleisch.de. I will put a link into the video description. You can check it out. You can check out the German prices about those tomahawk steaks, and you can check out other products they have in their shop. So feel free to check it out. So we don't have too much preparation for this one. Today's idea is smoking that one or grilling this one reversed method. This is 1.4 kilogram, which is quite a lot, so this might take some time here. I launched a video with the Parmesan encrusted tomahawk steaks, I don't know, about 10 days or 2 weeks or so ago, and there were a lot of people with ideas coming up what can be done next. So I decided to make this one. So here's all you have to do. Just take a knife and cut into the fat cap. What does that help? Okay, this helps so if the fat starts encrusting, you have no problems with deformed steaks. So that means that the steak and the meat in the middle will stay in their shape. So we have prepared our GMG pellet smoker. For today we're gonna smoke this one at 75 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit or so. I don't know 100% exactly. And this is a massive tomahawk steak here. We're gonna close the lid. We're gonna add an instant thermometer just to take the right internal temperature here, and we are heading for an internal temperature of 44 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 80-90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little bit lower than we would grill our beef. Ox is different, can be eaten with a lower internal temperature, and the color is also a little bit different, but we'll show you later. So it took round about 1 hour or so to get the internal temperature of 44 degrees Celsius, and it's really nice. That color's golden brown, and yeah, looking good to me. So we're gonna take this one out now. We're gonna throw this one on our gas grill. We have preheated the Breaking Imperial gas grill today, and we just grill it there and add a little bit of a crust till the outside, for approximately 1 minute or so. So as you can see here, the fat starts dripping again, so make sure not to burn it. Then flip it to the other side, and then we're gonna let that one rest. For approximately 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna cut this one. So in that moment the steak has an internal temperature of 47 degrees Celsius. If I would grill this one as a beef tomahawk, I would be heading for 51 degrees Celsius. So this is 4 or 5 degrees less than my medium rare beef. Of course, medium rare is still a little bit higher. I also got a lot of requests for the knife. This one is a Chroma Turbo knife, and as you can see here, it's really soft in the middle, so more or less rare. But now you can check out the color and see that it's different. So no complaining here, it's not overcooked. Ox is different. So today we are really not using any salt and pepper, only after tasting, because I wanted to give it a try to the ox flavor. And we add some salt and pepper later for the tasting, and I leave you now with the original footage. So folks, thanks for watching so far. I had to explain something maybe. I don't know if the translation is right, but this one is not real beef, it's ox. So ox is kind of different when it comes to internal temperature and to medium and medium rare. So this one is 47 degrees Celsius, which is approximately, I don't know, 85 degrees Fahrenheit or so, which is normally bloody rare if you compare it to beef. But this one is not 100% overcooked, but it's more like to medium, so it could be done about 3 degrees less, I guess. But the texture is really great and the taste is even better. So I just had to explain. I know steak videos are kind of interesting because you can do it right. Half of the people are complaining that it's overcooked, the other half is complaining that it's too rare. So your beef and your ox is just right when it hits your personal temperature. So if you like this video, please hit that thumb up button, leave me a comment and subscribe. You can subscribe now by clicking on the left button of your screen, the OX-TOMAHAWK barbecue logo, which is pretty easy. You won't miss any other video. We are going to have a lot of fun in the upcoming weeks. Even my social media channels have a lot of funny things in common, I promise. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.
Nein, das wollte ich essen.
So just a little more outtake. Last week I made some videos and my dog stole the photo models and the things I wanted for the tryout. So today the moment was pretty fun where I realized that I got this on camera. So thanks Lily, I'm out. See you.